Hello, this video I'm making because I recently just bought this Pod HD500x and picked it up for a killer deal, $266. I mean, it's quite used, but as far as the functionality of it, it works great. The foot pedal's a little bit looser than I think it should be, but the problem I have, the guy who got it before me right here, I guess he was having problems with the jack, so he soldered the power supply straight onto the motherboard there. And that's all well and good, but I would like the ability to unplug it. So, bought another jack. This was like maybe $3 with about $5 shipping. Totally overpriced to buy one of them. And I've got a power supply. I think I picked this up on Amazon for maybe $15 or so. So I'm just recording this. I'm going to see what I can do about doing this. I've got about all the tools I need except a solder sucker. So this might be interesting if we get into a situation where there's a lot of solder flowing around. So take out this screw. So that looks like some kind of number right here, 30-51-0669 REVX1. I don't know if that's a serial number or what. Set that over to the side. So, oh lordy, I wonder what this does. Yeah. See this? This fits probably right like that. Should have noticed which way that came off. Let's see here. Oh wow, this is all jacked up. I don't know if you can see here. It looks like, I don't know what that is. Oh. I don't really know what to do about that, honestly. I hope that this is just like some non-conductive paint, and on the back side I still got some good solder points. So let's see, I need to remove this entire board. Got some Allen wrenches, got standard and metric. Line 6, I think it's made in the US. Let's try some standard. Too big. That one feels like it fits pretty good. This is a 5/64. 5/64. I've got screws back here too. My gosh, this thing's got a lot of screws. Okay. All these 1/4 inch ends are threaded, so they need to come out as well. Now I'm starting to realize why this guy just soldered it on right there. I'm just done with it. Cool. Let's go ahead and cut them off. No turning back now. Okay. So let's look at the damage. Looks like I've taken a little piece of the green paint, I guess, that's on this board, the green coating, off with that. I'm going to try to just cut it. It's still on. Let's see. There we go. Uh-huh. Alright, fingers crossed, here goes nothing. Interesting. Okay, so I have, under careful examination for some pictures taken last night, discovered the reason why this is not powering up. And basically, whenever I pulled this, which was the piece that was soldered onto the motherboard, whenever I pulled it off, it actually pulled some of these little wire trails that are printed onto the circuit board off as well. And it pulled what looks to be 2 of them off that go to this red thing. Don't know what that is, but pretty much there's no power on any of the board. It all stops right here with this jack. So what I'm going to do is flip it over like this, and I'm just going to take some jumper wires from right here to right here, and problem solved. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and put in a little switch. I thought it'd be cool if this thing actually had a power switch on it. So some people may cringe, but I just totally drilled a hole in the side of the case. So this is where the pedal would go, right here. I put it on this side just because it looks like there's plenty of room over there, really. That's really the only reason. I would have liked to have it on this side close to where the power does go in, but without very careful measuring, I didn't really think that it was possible to put it over there. But this will be fun. So I've got it over here. I don't know which way's on and which way's off, but my switch seems to be good. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting things back together. I'm just going to use some of this wire to jump from the switch all the way over to where the power should be held. think the voltage of this is 200. This is the switch that I wanted to use. I thought that would be like totally awesome, but there's just nowhere to put it on here that would not be in the way, that doesn't have a circuit board directly underneath it. No. And I could have put it on the side, but then also, I mean, that would be the on position. It'd be super easy to flick. I think this will suffice just very nicely.